Module 11, Experiment 11.4, Observation of a Planarian.
In this experiment, we're going to take a look at a common member of phylum Platyhelminthes, and that is a planarian. Now, you have a preserved specimen on your slide. You actually can order live specimens. There are lots of websites that sell live specimens of planaria, and they're really fun to observe. If you want to expand on this lab, you may want to order a couple of those and observe them when they arrive. You can actually cut one in half, and it will regenerate new sides and become two, and it's really kind of fun to observe these guys. So under the microscope, we're going to, for this lab, take a look at the planarian under low power first, at the 40 power. I'm going to center it and focus. And you want to use figure 11.9 as a guide and make an illustration of what you're seeing into your lab notebook. Again, you can use pencil or colored pencils to make as many detailed illustrations as you can. You're looking for two eye spots. You want to mark those and label them. You want to label the pharynx. You want to label the mouth. You also want to label the intestine, as well as the transverse and the longitudinal nerves. And so using that guide and the diagram in the book as a guide, that should help you identify all those parts. After you've looked at that under the lowest power, make it go up to the 100 power, center and focus. And you might want to move it around a little bit because this guy's going to be kind of big, but you really want to see if you might be able to see the flame cells and the tubules as well. At this power, you can see a little more detail. It takes a little more movement around, but you can see a little more detail. And then finally, you want to move to your largest power, highest power, 400. Again, focus, and just move it around and see. You might be able to observe some more detail of the nerves and of the other parts of the organism's body at the higher power.